I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Today your ma'am is presenting a new session of activity. Now is your exciting session of activity. Now I will do one activity for you. Yes or no? Yes. So let's start and go with me. Come with me. Do the activity. Are you all ready? Yes, I know you all are ready and sitting quietly to watch this activity. Yes, come with me. Have a look here. Here I have kept some wild animals and farm animals. Here I have kept some wild animals and farm animals. Here I have kept W for wild and A for farm. Here I have written some letters W and F. W for wild, F for farm. So you have to setting down correctly. You have to take the animal's picture and paste it, and you have to take the correct letter. If this animal is wild animal, you take W. If this animal is farm animal, you take F. Okay, let's start. First one you take. Have a look here. Which animal is this? Goat. Goat. Goat is a farm animal. So you take F. So you take F. Paste here F. Which animal is this? Monkey. Monkey is a wild animal or farm animal? Monkey is a wild animal. So you take W. W. Paste here W. Yes. Next. What is this? Sheep. Sheep is a wild animal or farm animal? Tell me. Sheep is a farm animal. So you take F. You take F. So paste your F. Yes, very nice. Then you take donkey. Donkey. Donkey is a wild animal or farm animal? This is a farm animal. Yes or no? Donkey is a farm animal. So you take F. So paste here F. Next you take, which animal is this? Wolf. Wolf. Wolf is a wild animal. So you take W. Take W. Next, which animal is this? Deer. Which animal is this? Deer. Deer is a farm animal or wild animal? There is a wild animal. You paste W. Next, which animal is this? Cow. Cow. Cow is a wild animal or farm animal? Farm animal. So you paste F. Next, which animal is this? Elephant. 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 Elephant is a wild animal or farm animal? Elephant is a wild animal. So you paste W. Next, what is this? Horse. Horse is a farm animal or wild animal? Which animal? Which animal? Farm animal. Yes, you take Okay, have a look here. This looks very nicely, no? Now we can identify which one is farm animal and which one is wild animal. Yes or no? This is very nice activity, no? Can you do this activity at your home? Yes? Yes. Bye-bye. See you again. Another one exciting activity. Okay, children. Thank you. God bless you.